So we're going to today link our theoretical probabilities we've been doing entirely abstractly to some real world cases and how we can get from probabilities to multiple cases of things occurring. So there's two ways around this works. One is starting with probability and getting out a frequency, and the other is looking at some frequencies that have happened and working back towards probability. So in this example, there is a sports team who have decided or worked out or believe that their chance of winning any given match is 0.65. They're going to play 38 matches this season. So if they have this belief, what should they believe their expected number of wins is in the season? Well, it's quite simply this many lots of that. If each game has that chance of occurring, add that up over a whole season, you get 38 lots of that chance. So it's going to be 38 multiplied by 0.65. And your calculator can do that. And you get 24.7. Now that's not a whole number of games, so in an exam it may well be good practice to say that that rounds to 25 games and really flag it to the examiner and say something like around. So it's important here to realise that this is probability doesn't mean it's exactly what's going to happen. They could get unlucky and win fewer than 20 games. They might get lucky and win 27 or 28 games. That doesn't mean this number was wrong, and it doesn't mean that rounding is an issue here, but you need to make sure you have the precise answer and your rounded answer. So moving over here then, here we've got the reverse situation. So somebody has spent some time spinning a spinner 120 times, and they've counted how many times the number 3 came up, and that happened to be 36 times. So that means, relatively speaking, 36 120ths of the time times that this happened, there was a 3. And that fraction is actually our best estimate for the probability of a 3 coming up next time. With the information we have, which is just these two numbers, that's the best estimate we can have. And if you put that through a calculator or calculate yourself, it comes down to be 3/10, which is 0.3. So the chance of getting a 3 next spin might be exactly 0.3, but it might be a third. It might be 0.4 and we're very wrong. But this is the best we can do with the information we have, is from these counts. There's some more subtle stuff you'll learn about later in life about how we can use this information to revise closer and closer to real percentages, real probabilities rather. So I hope that helps. Good luck with the task. Enjoy.